think at 20. Remember 2020 when time you bust your blood class secret from remember you got the most Batty man party, Akeem. Akeem, you known for suck with Akeem. Nobody can go on like you know one cocksucker, bro. Remember in a dirty pussy rose, the only reason why your blood clot up with blood clot the Batty man so because you feel like say somebody when you look like Jakes I go like your Batty man that idiot girl. Nobody at all want Akeem more than transvestite than them people. You say, you don't realize not even a Batty man no want fuck you. For sure you your pussy redundant and stink. Nobody at all no want push no cocky on you with your big sour neck. Nobody at all no want push no cocky near your dog, believe me. When you crash out over Akeem for, Akeem is a Batty man, not even your Batty hole, he never want fuck you, you know. Your big stink and look bad. You look like when time bumbuckle and shit drop a ground dirty girl. You look like dog shit. Me go this and clean up my shit them. I saw your blood clot look like shit. Nobody at all now no cocky for pushing at you. Nobody at all will ever fuck you. You're dog shit. You look the worst. You don't have no sex appeal at all. Me never see a woman odious and stink like blood clot you. Where you crash out over is nonsense. Because you in a yourself know say nobody will look good at all would never fuck you. You is the type of girl where nobody at all no fuck. Not even you're crazy. And name out dirty fat sour girl like you. You see Akeem did it and get the whole heap of gift them. Yes, big bitch. And that you did it for big overweight stink girl. Nobody at all now look for them with blood clot you. You can't have a to blood clot hole. You will never get a ring from them the finger there. I want blood clot bearing them if you go take off. I want bicycle if you put by your big stinking sour and dirty girl. Nobody at all now go walk and care you go show them mother. Say, mommy, this is my girl. You don't have a girlfriend face or body. You don't have a mommy. This is my girlfriend feature. Move your pussy hole and go from here. So anybody bring you home to them mother would have poison it to a blood clot. Oh no. You a blood clot somebody if you home to mother. Nobody at all no want you no mother-in-law, no father-in-law, no sister-in-law. No law at all no want you in a them blood clot family. Any bumbo clot boy where fuck you have to hide you. Notice a Jake's family not even like your big stinking and overweight dirty rose. You want to know how me know your business, don't ask me. Jake's family hate you like dog, or Jake's hate you like dog. So you expect one man will look better than Jakes. We have more things than Jakes will like you. No man at all would have never risk for them cocky and pushing a year hole. For your hole one big redundant inner mill blood clot chimney. Nobody no want fuck you. You coming like when I peel them when me used to piss in at night time. When me that blood clot country for empty a morning time. Move your big stinking overweight self and hack your blood clot size girl. Go and go hack your size. And if you don't know if you hack your size, me push you back in night sour girl. Your blood clot neck have 4 and 5 blood clot layer. You have one gullet like you have one pussy clot fish where put the fish them the bird when you what a bird in here man? A seagull. Your blood clot coming like one of the big thinking seagull them we walk and go so oh and have a fish in a blood clot chew down here so go a oversized bitch. Nobody at all no want you, your pelican blood clot junker you. Nobody at all want you, you big blood clot seal, your bumbo clot overweight dog shit, your obese bitch. Who the fuck is you? Me hate people who give you blood clot confidence. You forget rope or poison or some kind of... You're mad. Me could have been Jakes. You know how much time me put blood clot rat poison in a few bumbo clot food. Big stink and overweight. You know serve no pussy clot purpose in a female house. All you do is get up. You know smell your pussy at daytime. You big and stink and water underneath blood clot there. Don't you smell your dirty stinking blood clot self. You know smell yourself. Underneath you smell like one bumbo class sitting with one GS girl. You smell like one latrine toilet underneath you. You need to get up and bathe your sour self at daytime. Rinse out your body hole, dirty stinking girl. Look how your hand them big and short. You can't even catch back of your ass hole if you wash it out. Shut your mouth! Shut up! I'm not tell you again. Every bumbo clot time I look on you on my for you page, you sick my blood clot too much. You hear me I tell you? You sick me too much and when this a drunker you continue and send me bumbo. Alright, Sarah, me not troubling. Sorry man, sorry. Me no mean to cuss on you. But me I do something right now. Come down and shut up. Good. See me? Sorry, Milo. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, baby. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Me just sit there eat time moment, alright? Hush. Dirty girl, you make me shout off of my dog. I don't even shout off of Milo. Milo not used to them thing there. You understand what me I deal with? With your big stinking overweight blood clot self pussy smell like one tin of sardine will open from 3 blood clot they are going in sun. Thinking girl, you smell like salami, dirty blood clot, go bad salami, thinking girl. You coming like one time blood clot, bacon I get body in a fridge and a mildew. You smell think no bumbuckler. Somebody could have want to play with for your clitoris dirty stinking girl. For your clitoris must think no pussy clot. Wouldn't touch for your pussy, not even with a mop stick of blood clot. When me I go use touch for your clitoris must be coming like a chocho to bumbuckler. Move your big stink over a bumbuckler, hobbies, nasty blood clot self. Your belly big no pussy hole, go tidy yourself, dirty girl. Every day me see a big stinking drunker like you a run down man. Girl go run down your gym, go run down a treadmill, go run round your house, go fix up your big stinking overweight self, girl go pin up your blood clot belly. Nobody no find that blood clot attractive. You stink, you fat, you shape bad, you shape it worse at Jamaica. No other girl, you shape like blood clot Jamaica economy right now, dirty girl. Fuck up. Dirty stinking girl. Me never see a girl shaped like one bullfrog. I love going like your blood clot somebody. You look a blood clot want some salt. Think girl. You want a big pan of blood clot salt. You fucking bullfrog. Your bumper clot bullfrog are tired of your pussy hole. You need some bumper clot salt, Jankro. You need some salt, bitch. You need some salt, dirty big blood clot toad. You want some salt, drunk, dog shit. You want some blood clot salt, bitch. You all dirty big stinking toad. You coming like you told them what they said for people when time them a hobby of them. Think, girl, move your bumbo clot, your shape bad like Jamaica blood clot economy thinking, girl. Me never see a girl shape like Bam Bam. Up on your blood clot, there's a big and stink and wide no blood clot. Me never see a girl have her body in her bucket. How your body reach up in your neck back shape like blood clot. Shape like blood clot. No. And stink like dog shit. You don't need for blood clot a ball and a crash out over no man. Go crash out over one blood clot dumbbell. Go crash out over one treadmill. Go crash out over one gym stink girl. Move your pussy hole and go from here so. And when we salt your blood clot, your big dirty stinking toad. You don't name no Rose or no blood clot June. In June time you will see how you favor one big back toad. Well that's why nobody no want you, you overweight bitch. Move your pussy hole and go from here so. Boy you crash out. Girl you need to go crash out over a man who breathe you 4 times and don't blood clot want you. You need to go crash out over the man who breathe you 4 times and fuck on you like dog. Everybody in your scheme and spend your blood clot TikTok money. How much bumbo clot pick me your TikTok money dash way? And that you feel blood clot go worry about you crash over blood clot man when I want you. You think no pussy clot. You know your clitoris supposed to smell like one blood clot whole sachets. Dirty blood clot girl. Me coulda want sitting like a blood clot you. Smell like when you boil blood clot hot dog and left them on stove for 4 days. Move your pussy hole girl. Coming like when you mix some blood clot lasco and put it down in a cup for how much in there and it start a crackle and a frat. Move thing fat girl and go suck out your mother and go crash out over one blood clot. Dirty girl, how you man? Somebody can blood clot one sitting like your girl. Move your pussy hole, the whole of your bumbo clot top for that bottom and your bottom for that top of that if your blood clot go look pan. Your shape up, my princess, love you baby. Move your pussy hole, you somebody. Your blood clot, somebody your shape upside it down like $1 kind. Think girl. Move your heads and tails. Blood clot and go suck out your mother. Yeah, somebody for your blood clot crash out. Anybody will fuck you make us them because you're a dog shit. Nobody could fuck one big think dog shit like a blood clot you man. You are one big stinking girl man. You idiot. Nobody will shape so fuck up and look so bad and have that the blood clot face there. Your bumbo clot, Roger Clark Jr. bitch you. How would the pussy clot then get this a dog shit you from? Move your bumbo bumbo clot, because I never see a girl with so much bumbo clot. My neck. Move your bumbo clot and you dey make that the song for neck alone your blood clot of pussy hole. Head and bumbo clot shoulders, bumbo hole. Under your neck big and coming like one of the wild like them. You know so one of them have a stupid hair. And blood clot bust you. Go ahead, girl. Somebody soon catch your blood clot and jerk you. You overweight bitch. Obese girl, no fear go on so girl. Go on go get his stomach bypass, bumbo clot surgery. Thinking girl. You beg you whole blood clot of 4 years. You know all know. Me no hear you beg a surgery yet, dirty girl. You need to go make them clip out your bumbo clot stomach. Think bitch. You can blood clot there so come go and hack your shape bitch. Hack your blood clot shape. You shape like one lagoon. Think, girl. Move your bumbo clot in a milk blood clot from your and go suck out your mama. No girl will shape big and stink like you know if you go on so. Go and go rush to a gym and go rush to a doctor, dirty blood clot, girl. You need to go up on diet with your overweight rice eating. So good self. Every minute you have blood clot tongue ring in a mouth. Boy, you look cocky for so. Boy! You think like shit to blood clot. Why you put for your thinking mouth? Put them blood clot cocky. Move your big overweight blood clot. And when you look down, you see Roger Clark a suck you. Who the fuck was Roger Clark to suck for them blood clot cock? Eh? That look like a turn on to your big oversized bitch. You coming like one of the big blood clot rolling calf them when me hear them a talk about from blood clot long time. You never see a rolling calf yet see one day. Somebody need to push you down one blood clot hill. Big stinking girl like you know if you go on so. Go and go find your weight. Me show my brother your today and he say yuck. You think like move your bumbo clot. You need hobbies. Boy you need a rose. You ever see one rose yet? You ever see a blood clot rose? Rose is a beautiful, nice, petite look flower. Dirty blood clot. You more is like a poison ivy, dirty bumbo clot, bitch. Move your bumbo clot, you come like a courage. A courage your blood clot, be think, girl, boy, Rose. Move your pussy clot. Nothing about you, no Rosie. Me no Rosie, girl, when time you see them. And it's not you, bitch. Never will be you. You're thinking blood clot, all that. You're drunk, move. All of the thinking Batty man they will make you go on up on the internet. I him they catch and give him a machete beating. Then if you catch a Batty man now broke up one last funny man. Pussy hole you need a 22 cross your blood clot chest. You need a 22 cross your mouth. With your thinking say you cannot kiss up Rose and put your mouth on blood clot she. Eh? You don't know how poison ivy look pussy hole. You don't know courage. I want blood clot courage that. Hog pen. That the pussy will, yeah, that you can put your mouth on them, the overweight, dirty, obese, stinking girl there. But tickers, which part are your tickers? Go ahead and not put tickers in your mouth, girl. You know what is tickers? From your past 210 pounds, you are not tickers. From your past 210 pounds, you is not no tickers. From your past 205, 210, you is not nothing. You're obese. Bitch, you're obese. That is what you are. Tickers are tickers. Look good in a clothes. You look good in a clothes? You look like sitting one would have kicked from front. Blood clot me. You think we not see you in the blood clot hotel up a Panama shape like when you chew a blood clot kitchen curtain over sink? Move your pussy hole, dirty stinking girl. Nobody at all no find your big oversized self blood clot. You shape like one of them big stinking blood clot all in a mill sink there. Dirty girl. Nobody at all no find your blood clot attractive. You come out cute. If you stretch out the blood clot white tongue the one more time, you favor one blood clot garland. Look like one bumbo clot fly by day, pitch by bumbo clot night. Drunko, fly away, you fucking shit. Move your bumbo clot from your so girl. Nobody at all no find you appetizing for fuck dirty girl. You are where people use and abuse and call the news. Drunk. Nobody at all. Any man will find appetite for fuck you. We fuck man. Akeem, no pun intended. Bitch, you not see a drunk. Uncle Batty man alone who don't come blood clot there and say alright then. You sick stomach to every blood clot body else. But one Batty man with blood clot take you up and make you feel like somebody. You is nobody. You're the worst looking girl me ever seen in my life. You no forget no kind of affection at all. Big stone, broad board, one piece of steel cross your head would not suffice. Me not gonna tell you no blood clot. Like, you idiot. Girl, like you see me on road and call to me blood clot, mama. You idiot. Me run you over with me car. I will put you in the fucking hospital, dirty, overweight, obese bitch. What me look like? Me look like a fucking clinic. Me look like Slim Fast. Me look like Bumbo like Jenny Cray. Me no there something advise no big oversized obese bitch. Me no Bumbo like Murray. You understand me, dirty girl? You go find yourself one blood clot gym. Go find yourself a personal trainer. Tapping name in. Every minute me look on you on the internet, you name. Go girl. You feel shame for name make anybody see. You too big and overweight and stink. You never tell nobody what you me dog see you with the big old heavy blood clot meat will drop down underneath you. Your pussy can't even get breeze to your big and stink on the blood clot there. Everywhere you go, you sit down like one big market dog. Go a dirty stinking girl. You is nobody of them blood clot people upon you make you feel like you're somebody. You is a blood clot termite, dog shit, hog pen. That's how the blood clot you be. Go creep out underneath your girl. Go and go cut out the blood clot abscess who grow underneath your overweight girl. And so you know your blood clot obese. Thick girl now have blood clot fat and run underneath them like you seeing. You need to go clean up underneath your stinking hole. And so me know say in your thing dirty girl that they are black all of the circulation fi go up in you. If your pussy supposed to think like shoes to blood clot. Move your cheesy pussy blood clot.